All right, so we're nearing the end of our time, so I'm just going to do a quick. Do you guys have questions? Okay, we'll do a 1-minute overview of landing pages versus squeeze pages to kind of be teasers for next week. And next week, we'll go into building them, we'll go into posting them, we'll go into strategy around using them, things like that. So, the biggest question that I get is what the heck are they? Right. So, let's talk about how they're the same. They're the same because when you create landing pages or squeeze pages, you create links. And then you share those links out into the world. You can put them on Facebook. You can put them on, email them out to people. You can put them as responses to text codes. I like the cat. So you can put them as those responses to the text codes. You can put them in a blog. If you guys are bloggers, KV Core provides a free blog for you. You can put squeeze page, landing page links in there as well. The idea is you create it for free and you share it out in the world, right? So that's how they're the same. Now they're the different in the look and feel when someone clicks on the links and in the registration process. So the squeeze page is going to mimic your website in look and feel. A consumer who looks at a squeeze page will not realize that they aren't actually on your website. It's kind of like a mini ghost of your website. Like it looks exactly the same. There's some background coding going on in there, but it looks the same as being on the website. The biggest thing is one, you can hashtag it for yourself, and two, you can delay registration. So instead of visitors needing to register on that very first property that they look at, you have the opportunity to let them look at multiple properties before they register. You can even leave it at that first one, or you can say, okay, you never need to register. Landing pages, on the other hand, have a completely different look and feel. And you can customize this background image. You can customize all the verbiage in here that you want. You're going to give it whatever hashtag you want and then send them anywhere on the internet. This is like a stopping point. You advertise this landing page, people come here, you entice them to give you their email address, they do, and then they go to kind of like the prize. So the prize can be an open house video. The prize can be registering for a live webinar. The prize can be a recorded webinar. The prize can be, looking at the new listing. Whatever it is, it doesn't even have to be real estate related. Maybe you do a hey, click register here and I'll put you into my raffle for, 2 free tickets to whenever sports open again, like something like that. So you're using this landing page to get people to register. So that way you can then talk to them about real estate. So we'll go into these next week, different strategies behind landing pages and squeeze pages and how to post them out. Any questions about this before we say goodbye for the evening? Do you all remember your homework?
Yeah.
Running those filters for no search alerts and for the no smart campaigns, right? Make sure everyone you already have in your CRM is set up on systems of follow up. So that way you're ready to go when we start driving in new traffic.
I have a question.
Yeah.
So for the squeeze page and the
Mhm.
landing page, is there a charge to get it like boosted where a lot of people can see it, or is it automatically just like who's seeing it? You know what I mean? Like how do you get the most possible people to see it?
That's a great question. We'll go into that
Yeah.
next week, but let me give you a quick preview. So that's a good point. You are in charge of driving eyes to it. So I post on this is my demo business page. And so I have things in here like this is my landing page. This is my landing page. So this is my landing page. It's living on my business page. And you're right. Unless I boost it, not a whole
Okay.
lot of
Okay.
people are going to see it,
Yeah.
right? But I could share it over to my personal profile. I can run different ads in Facebook. But here's my landing page. Someone clicks on it. They go to this landing page to sign up for a virtual online open house. They give me their email address, they're RSVPing for that event, and now I can follow up with them. All right. Thank you all. Any other questions?
No, thank you so much for joining us. We look to do the same thing next week, and that would be great. Thank you so much for.
Thank you,
Absolutely.
Christina.
You're very welcome. Thank you all. Have a good evening.
Thank
All
you.
right.